Hello, welcome to Tech Live. My name is Pavan. I'm going to show you how to do the payment integration with any website using PayUmoney. So now open the browser and type PayUmoney. Firstly, you will have to register. So you will have to fill the information like you are a merchant. Click on merchant, first name, last name, email ID, mobile number and password. After registration, you will get the email for account verification. Now check your mail. Already I have registered. So these are the verification email. Now after verification, log into the PayUmoney. So I have a email ID and password. Now enter the email ID. And password. Redirecting to the merchant dashboard. Now go to the dashboard. Go to the PayUmoney tool. Click on Express Integration. Click on Create New button. So there are 5 steps to create PayUmoney button. The first step is select a button type. There are 2 options to do this, the fixed amount or open field amount. Now I am going to select the open field amount. Now the second step is payment details. Now I am entering the name of payment. Descriptions are optional. Now the third steps are customer details. These are the optional, but you have customized also. Something like I have a customer name, customer address and payment date. So now I am going to create the text field. And now the last field is payment date, which are the calendar. These are the 3 fields: customer name, customer address and payment date. You can also see the preview confirmation page. Something like this. These are the UI for the payment, like how amount you have to pay, customer name, customer address and payment date. And now the make payment as a button is showing. And the fourth step is look and feel. You have changed your PayUmoney button. So you can change the look and feel. These are the dark. Also you can make the light. You can select the button text. There are different types of button text: pay now, buy now and check out. And you can select the size: small size, medium size and large size. Something like this. It's a PayUmoney button is showing. And now the last step is redirection URL, which are the optional part. So after completing these steps, click on Save Button Details. Your PayUmoney button has been saved. After that, the PayUmoney sends the HTML div tag. now these tags which write in your website. So now I am going to copying it. And you can paste in your website. I have a website and now I am going to paste it. Already I have pasted it. So these are the HTML div tag which is sent by the PayUmoney. Now I am going to show the PayU button as a view. So these are the PayUmoney button which is showing in your website. So now click on PayUmoney button and redirecting to the third party API PayUmoney. And these are the fields which are required. Enter amount, how much amount you have to pay, something like 1000. Customer address is USA. Customer name is John and the payment date is, and click on payment button. So now these are the payment mode, via you can credit or debit or via net banking. So these are the payment process via the credit card or debit card. Also you can see via the net banking. After filling the details, your pay button will be enabled, and after click on pay button, your payment is successful. So now thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.